teachers and scholars and audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम इन्नमा यख्शल्लाह मिन इबादिहिल उलमा सदक़ल्लाहुल अलीयुल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल अमीनुल मतीनुल मुईनुल करीम नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers and scholars who gave me a golden chance to speak on a stage. My name is Badri Alam. I am from Nepal and I am pursuing in training IFTA from Markazi Idara Sharia Patna. Today I would like to tell you about life of Malik al-Ulama. Before that, I would like to say that Shaykh Sabi Rahmatullah alayhi says, بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. It's me. He attains exaltation by his perfection. He dispels darkness by his beauty. Beauteous all are his qualities. Benediction be on him and on his family. As you know, Bihar has certainly been a center of knowledge and mysticism from the very beginning. Here made scholars and leaders have made great sacrifice for the propagation and protection of religion. Apparently, there are two groups of scholars and sheikhs. Each of them is a helper of the other. A person is also a scholar at the same time, but it is not necessary for a scholar to have sheikh tariqa. But the one in whom both are present at the same time, his glory is unique. I mean, the Sajjad Zafruddin Bihari, alayhi rahmatuhu wa rizwan. And he is famous as Malik al-Ulama. It is my opinion that he was a king of scholar. His birth, he was born on 18th October 1880 and Islamic date 10th Muharram al-Haram, Friday 1304 from Hijr at Rasulpur district, Patna, Bihar. 1303 from Hijr at Rasulpur district, Patna, Bihar. Education. When he was 4 years old, then his father asked Hazrat Chand Shah to recite Bismillah. After that, his father gave him 4 basic education and he was taught the Holy Quran and Urdu, Persian and basic Arabic grammar at home by Hazrat Makhdoom Ashraf and Hazrat Abdul Latif and Hazrat Kabiruddin Rahmahumullah. After that, he joined Madrasa Gausiya Hanafiya, Patna, Bihar, and after achieving various science and arts, he joined Madrasa Hanafiya, Patna, in which, besides other teachers, Sheikh Shah Wasi Ahmad Surti was also a teacher, and there was only 3 months. Then he went to his relative's place, Pilipit, due to disease, and when Malik al-Ulama didn't find interest in acquiring knowledge, he went for the acquisition of education again and studied from Muhaddis Surti alayhi rahmatullahi wa rizwan. And while studying, he listened It's mean Malikul Ulama listens to history of Ala Hazrat alayhi rahmat wa rizwan with great respect. And Muhaddis Surti said that if you want to see his jurisprudence, you should study the Fatawa Razviya, and you will know that not paying tribute. And then after hearing the praise, he has gone to Quran Sharif without the star. When he reached there, he was so engrossed in Darul Ifta and writing books that he didn't establish any madrasa. Wherever he had time, he taught books to his student. Then with the efforts of Malik Ulama, after getting the consent of Ala Hazrat, the madrasa was established. After that, Hazrat Hassan Raza Brailwi, Rahmatullah alayh, named Manzar Islam, which is a historical name, 1322 Hijri. There, Malikul Ulama learned Bukhari and Muslim completely from Ala Hazrat, and he studied all the sciences and arts edition of these two. And he found the Dasar Fasida from Darul Uloom Manzar Islam Bareilly Sharif, and he was also the supporter of Ala Hazrat in writing fatwa. And after completing knowledge, he first became a teacher in Manzar Islam. After that, in Shamsul Huda, Patna. In addition to this, he served in various high madrasas, and his life is ideal for the new teachers and researchers. And he wrote the first fatwa on 8th Ramadan 1322, and he did serve a lot of writing books and fatwas in his life. The first of this was written Al-Hisam al-Masroor ala Munkir ala Rasul and Sahih al-Bihari and many more besides them, but before his demise, he wrote Anwarul Ziya fi Salasil al-Awliya. And apart from them, he has done many other things, and when he was the principal of Jamia Latifia Bahrul Ulum Katihar, he returned to Patna due to a serious illness. And demise of Malikul Ulama. Malikul Ulama, Sayyid Zafaruddin Bihari, Rahmatullah alayh, passed away on 19th Jamad-e-Akhir 1382 and English date 18th November 1962, night of Monday. And as you know, Malikul Ulama is known to Fazil Bihar. So Fazil Bihar is historical name of his death, and Mazar Sharif at Shahganj, Patna, Bihar. So now I am going to finish my topic. So thank you for listening my speech. Assalamu alaikum and goodbye.
MashaAllah.